Oi oi! Well, today is an interesting day, guys, because it's the first day of flying of 2020. And today, guys, we're going to talk about the importance of flying regularly, because if you don't, you just get rusty. Nobody likes rusty thumbs, do they? Right then, boys and girls, so today we're up at Wickham Woods. Adzo's here. He's about to take off with these little oh, there it goes. Whoa! This is just a little tiny hawk. You can probably see it there. Maybe it's gone, I don't know. It's tiny and it's a hawk. But point at today's vlog, other than to just have the first flight of 2020, is to just discuss the importance really of flying often. I've always been a firm believer that it's better to fly a couple of packs often than it is to just go out occasionally and fly loads of packs. Find that you know, if you're flying often, as soon as you take off, everything feels perfect. It just all feels the same and consistent. So if you only fly occasionally, your first like 3 or 4 packs, you spend just trying to get used to flying again, and you didn't want to do that. You want to be enjoying it and, you know, practicing and getting better.
Started from the bottom, climbing to the stars, from hiding in the corner to reaching up to Mars, craving to be gold, hit the highest walls. I'm playing for the win, calling for the game, and once I hit the lotto, it will never be the same. Now I've reached my goal, don't wanna be sad. And with my face down to the ground, I am too lost to be found. Guess I'm not a
Oh, Adam, what's happened, son?
I'm gonna cry, I've lost my book.
Where is it? Can you see it?
I think
Hang on,
just there, see it. Come on. Yes!
Adam,
Hello.
on a scale of like 1 to 10, how happy are you?
Really happy I've got a whoop, it's so much fun.
Adam, you think you should fly like a few packs?
I fly like every day in the house.
Do you think that's the best way to go forward?
Just stick time, honest to God, just keep playing, have as much fun as possible. If you're in the house and you're bored, get a mic roll. If it's cold and windy, stay in the house. But if it's like nice and sunny, I would say take a 5-inch shoot and rip it through the side of a block of flats or something.
Well, that's some sound advice, like.
not afraid of the dark. Yes, I'm not afraid of the dark. With my face down to the ground, I am too lost to be found. Yes, I'm not afraid of the dark.
So we've got Francis here as well. What's your YouTube, Francis?
CarbonRain FPV.
Sound. So we're going to ask Francis. Francis, are you an advocate for flying as often as you can, even if it's just a couple of packs?
Yeah, it's something that I actually apply in the simulator as well. So sometimes I've hit up the simulator for half an hour on night time rather than, well, that's all I can do.
Aye.
Yeah, and just sort of like half an hour a night, half an hour later in the week.
No, it's good because it means you're still just getting used to the...
Yeah, rather than just sitting down and bashing it out for like 2 hours or whatever. I just find that it helps keep you in the right mindset, sort of.
Oh no, that's cool. But I'm sure that's a bit of valuable advice right there, Francis, and maybe you just can put it into practice and see what you think.
to Mars, waving to be gold.
So today has been a pretty good example of why you should fly multiple packs often. I see as I've got little tiny hawks whizzing through my head. It's as you can see, it's taking us a good few packs to actually get me wings in, so to speak. But aye.
Flash and packs.
Started from the bottom, climbing to the stars, from hiding in the corner to reaching up to Mars, waving to be gold, hit the highest walls. I'm playing for the win, calling for the game, and once I hit the lotto, it will never be the same. Now I've reached my goal, don't wanna be saved. And with my face down to the ground, I am too lost to be found. Guess I'm not afraid of the dark. Guess I'm not afraid of the dark. With my face down to the ground, I am too lost to be found. Guess I'm not afraid of the dark.
Right.
Ready?
Hang on, right. Get in shot. Right. Ready? No, mate, look, watch. Look how firm it is on there.
You really want to risk that?
Like, I'll speak to you. Like, I'm not just gonna like full punch out, you know. Like, I'm just gonna take off and then you take off, and that'll look mint, mate.
No man.
Will. Oh wait, you said it. You said it before. You weren't bothered.
You'll blend it, man.
I won't, man. I'll just take off really slowly.
Just throw it in the sky, will you?
Squirrel.